Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are diving into something absolutely jaw-dropping, the 2026 Brabus Motorhome, the most outrageous, most talked about luxury RV to ever roll out of a showroom floor. If you thought Brabus was only about turbocharged Mercedes sedans and blistering supercars, buckle up, because they have completely reinvented what it means to travel in ultimate style. This beast is not just a motorhome, it is a statement, a fortress on wheels, and today we are breaking down every single detail you need to know. Let's start with the exterior, because this thing stops traffic before it even parks. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome is wrapped in a striking hot pink metallic finish that is absolutely polarizing, and that is exactly the point. Brabus designed this to be seen, to be remembered, and to make every other vehicle on the road look like it belongs in a different era. The body is built on a reinforced heavy-duty chassis with a stretched double-axle rear configuration, giving it a massive six-wheel stance that radiates raw power and stability. Up front, you get a sharply sculpted fascia with slim LED headlight strips that slice through the front end like lightning bolts, paired with a glowing lower grille that gives off an almost menacing glow at night. The roofline is where things get really interesting. The 2026 model features an elevated upper deck design, creating a dramatic two-story visual profile that blends the DNA of a luxury coach with the aggressive proportions of a concept truck. That iconic gold Brabus chevron emblem sits proudly on the front cabin, a sign that you are not looking at some ordinary recreational vehicle. The deep-tinted panoramic windows running along both sides give it a sleek, futuristic silhouette, while the sharp body creases and angular flares along the lower panels add an unmistakable muscular quality. Every panel has been aerodynamically sculpted to reduce drag despite its enormous size, and the massive wheels wrapped in performance rubber complete the picture perfectly. Now, step inside, and you will feel like you have just walked into a five-star penthouse suite. The interior of the 2026 Brabus Motorhome is nothing short of extraordinary. The main living area is finished in hand-stitched Napa leather in a two-tone color palette, with brushed carbon fiber trim panels throughout. The cabin features a state-of-the-art entertainment system with a 75-inch retractable 4K OLED display, built-in Burmester surround sound, and smart home integration that lets you control lighting, temperature, and entertainment with voice commands or through a dedicated touchscreen panel. The sleeping quarters in the upper deck can comfortably accommodate 4 adults, with a custom memory foam mattress system and full climate control. The kitchen is a chef's dream. Brabus has fitted a fully functional induction cooktop, a built-in espresso machine, a wine cooler, and a refrigerator-freezer unit using premium European appliance brands. The bathroom features heated marble flooring, a rain shower, and vanity lighting that would not look out of place in a luxury hotel. Every detail, from the cabinet handles to the ambient lighting strips running along the ceiling, has been crafted with obsessive German precision. This is not glamping, this is grand touring. Moving to performance, and this is where the 2026 Brabus Motorhome truly separates itself from every other luxury RV on the market. Under that massive hood sits a twin-turbocharged inline-6 diesel engine producing approximately 530 horsepower and a mountain-moving 1,100 Nm of torque. That is not a number you hear often in the motorhome segment, and Brabus has paired it with a 10-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth, confident power delivery whether you are cruising the Autobahn or navigating steep mountain passes. The suspension system is fully adaptive air suspension across all axles, giving you a surprisingly composed and comfortable ride despite the vehicle's enormous footprint. Brabus has also equipped the 2026 model with an advanced all-wheel drive system and electronic traction control that makes it remarkably capable for a vehicle of this size and luxury. The braking system uses ventilated disc brakes on all wheels, providing the stopping power you need when you're hauling this much weight and this much prestige down the road. Now let's talk about the number that everyone wants to know: the price. The 2026 Brabus Motorhome starts at approximately $1.8 million for the base configuration. That is not a typo. $1.8 million. And depending on your bespoke customization choices, from exterior wrap colors to interior material upgrades, additional solar panel systems, satellite communication packages, and extended range fuel tanks, the fully loaded versions can push well past $2.5 million. Brabus is offering this exclusively through their authorized dealer network with a build-to-order process, meaning every single unit is personalized to the owner's exact specifications. Production numbers are expected to be extremely limited, with fewer than 50 units planned globally for the first production year. That exclusivity, combined with the Brabus badge and that extraordinary build quality, means this is not just a motorhome, it is a collector's item, an investment, and the pinnacle of mobile luxury living. So, is the 2026 Brabus Motorhome worth it? If you have the means and you want the absolute best that money can buy, something no one else on the road has, something that combines supercar engineering with 5-star hotel comfort, then absolutely yes. This is the most ambitious motorhome ever built, and Brabus has delivered something truly legendary. That is it for today's review here on MH Car Review. If you loved this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe for more exclusive luxury vehicle reviews, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you drive the 2026 Brabus Motorhome? Let us know. We will see you in the next one.